a moment to be stoned. Now Moses' law says you must die for the sin that you have done. The master didn't speak a word, it just rolled upon the ground. And when they heard the news, there was a he was the talk of the town. A moment to be stoned. Now Moses' law said you must die for the sin that you have done. The master didn't speak a word, it just rolled upon the ground. And when they heard the news, there was a news. He was the talk of the town.